In this video, I am going to discuss about how to remove. Hi. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to remove duplicates from a list. So I've created a list which has duplicates of Ravi and Kiran. So there are some duplicates. I mean, there are two duplicates actually. Okay. So how do you remove them? The simple method is using the dict function, which is from keys. So let's create a variable first. Remove duplicates equal to dict dot from keys. So here from keys takes two parameters, which is a sequence and a value. Okay, the sequence in the sense what we have created here, the list. It's not only the list. We can take any sequence like tuple. Okay, like that we can take here. As of now, we have to take my list and comma. We have to specify a value here. Uh, it's not necessary as of now. I'm not specifying any value. It takes actually takes a value after a sequence. So I'm not specifying as of now. Let's see what the output will be. Remove duplicates. Let's clear this first. Okay, let's run it. Okay, here you can see it is converting this list into a dictionary, which is a key value pairs. So here the key is Ravi and the value is none. None, why it is none? Because we have not given any value there. So by default it is none. Okay, so by default it takes none. Okay, so we don't want none as of now. It's just for explanation. I have not converted this dict into list. Let's convert this dict into list to remove this none. Okay, so let's convert it list. Okay, now if you run this, you can see the dictionary is converted into a list and the duplicates are also gone. Okay, so this is how we can remove duplicates from a list. It's very simple. From keys only takes two values, which is a sequence as well as a value. Suppose if I give a value like a string, okay, or any name, you can give any name like Tim. Okay, I'll remove this list, and if I run it, it will take Tim as a value. Okay, it's basically keys and values. Keys are from my list and the value is what you have specified here. Okay, let's clear this. I'll run this again. Yeah, keys, these are keys and these are values. Okay, so what you have specified here, that will be in your output. It will be repeated for every key. Okay, so this will be just for explanation. I have specified a value there. You can give an integer also. You can give an integer also. So let's run that. Say 1 is repeated for every key. Okay. So it's just for explanation. For removing duplicates, you can just convert this dict into list. Okay. So this is the output, final output. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like my video.